What's up guys, and thank you for stopping by my channel. And today's project is this free Craftsman lawnmower I got from Craigslist. And the problem with this mower is, well, I'm not sure since I just picked it up off the curb. There was a sign on the mower that said it worked, so I'm at least a little hopeful. I thought it was a self-propelled mower when I picked it up, but after looking at it a little bit more, it didn't have a self-propelled lever though. Looking at the ID label, however, confirmed that it was supposed to be a self-propelled model. However, when I lifted the deck up, I was surprised to see that someone had already removed everything related to the self-propel system. And while we're under here, let's go ahead and check the condition of the blade and see if there's any oil leaking from the bottom seal. When I picked up the mower, the wheels were adjusted all the way down to the lowest position. This would explain why there's so much dirt covering the entire deck. In fact, there's still clippings on here from the last season it was used. This mower wasn't taken care of at all. But surprisingly, the oil is at a decent level and there's fresh gas in the tank. Let's go ahead and prime it and try to start it. Well, since it didn't start, let's look at the carburetor starting at the air filter. This is a really bad sign. The filter was extremely dirty, and since it didn't seat very well, it allowed a huge amount of dirt to bypass it. We're going to have to remove this part of the filter housing to give it a good deep cleaning. Hopefully, the amount of dirt that got past it hasn't ruined the engine compression. I see why the engine didn't want to start now. The gasket on the back of the filter cover is missing, which doesn't allow the primer bulb to push any gas into the engine to help start it. Let's clamp the fuel line and check out the bowl and the jet to see if it's clear. And luckily, it's all clear, so let's replace everything and try to start it now. Hopefully the compression hasn't dropped to the point of not starting. It still has some life left in it. It should be a great basic mower for a homeowner. Thanks for watching Home Garage, and if you would, please subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you would, please check out my other videos. Have a good one, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.